Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of speaking with Sandy Brown. He's a candidate for mayor in the town of Orangeville. Thank you for being here today, Sandy.
Thank you for having me, Brad.
So I want to talk to you about an issue that is paramount in the town, as you probably already know. A lot of people believe that taxes are too high and they want change. When it comes to taxes, how are you going to address this issue? If you're planning on trying to reduce the taxes, where are you going to make your cuts? Or are you going to try to increase revenue?
Yeah, well, taxation and the level of residential taxation in Orangeville is a very high level. Some studies are suggesting we may be the highest in the GTA, maybe the highest in Ontario in terms of residential taxes. And that's troubling, I think. And a lot of people are wondering why, how did we get here? And you have to go back over the last 20 years and look at some of the decisions that have been made. And a lot of them were made without long-range plan and vision. We'll get into more detail in my campaign about some of those decisions, but in terms of how do you save taxes, the big one that the council missed last year was the OPP-OPS debate. The people that studied it, including the town treasurer, the CAO, and the auditor of the town, BDO Dunwoody, all came to the same conclusion that it's a multi-million-dollar savings. So we need to bring that back and review it again and look at it. We have to look at it not in a sentimental way, but in a practical way and in a way that makes business sense. And from all that I've looked at and studied, I don't think the service level is going to drop at all. In fact, I think OPP has more resources to bring in the event that there's issues that need those resources. I think the opportunity for the uniformed officers is far greater within the OPP. So there was no business case to say no to OPP. It was a strong business case, and it should have been made. In terms of increasing, revenue, well, there's only a few places where revenue comes from in the town budget, and that's property taxes, both residential and commercial, retail, and industrial. And we're already having huge pushback from all those sectors, so I can't see that happening. User fees are also through the roof. So, increasing revenue, I think we have to look at efficiencies at every department level and try and bring that ever-increasing trajectory of taxes and try and bring it down, right, and slow it down and look for efficiencies. If there's a windfall coming in the OPP decision, then there's ways that you can parcel that money out, whether it results in some taxation decrease, which it could. It would only be marginal, increase revenues, share that money with other departments that need it. We want good infrastructure, we want good roads, we want good opportunities and for recreation here in town, and hopefully that domino, if and when it falls, will start a chain reaction of other good things for the town.
Perfect. Yeah. Well, thank you very much for your comprehensive answer. And I know if you want to see some of the other issues and topics that Sandy was bringing up with respect to efficiencies, please do check out the links below. And thank you for watching.